Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm Jennifer Bands, and today we are going to make keto zucchini bread, and it's a sweet bread, and it's got zucchini in it, of course, and it's something that I grew up with. I don't know if you did. I was raised in the South, but we had zucchini bread, and it is super delicious. This is my keto version, so let's get started. So with the keto zucchini bread, or any zucchini bread, of course, we need to shred our zucchini. And this is super fast with the box grater. The zucchini shreds super fast. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do both of these zucchini. And I don't know if we're going to use all of them or not. I might not. It will be like a cup and a half of zucchini is what you need. Okay, here's our grated zucchini. And now I'm going to measure out a cup and a half. Just going to put it right here. It's almost a cup and a half. And then the rest of it you can just save for, you can make like a, I don't know, zucchini pancake or something. I don't know. Make some zucchini scrambled eggs. Okay, now we are going to use a white kitchen towel to squeeze a lot of the liquid out of this zucchini. We don't want our bread to be watery. You're going to be surprised at how much water comes out of this zucchini. I did the same thing in my recipe for the chocolate chip muffins that had zucchini in them. You want all of the good stuff from the zucchini, not the liquid. I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to squeeze it one more time. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit and then squeeze it again while I do the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some almond flour here. And I'm going to add in my dry ingredients, which is some Lakanto. You could also use Swerve. Actually, this is Swerve. I usually use Lakanto or Swerve. And this is some salt and some cinnamon and some baking soda. And help our bread brown on top. So let's mix all of that together, and then we can add our wet ingredients. Okay, now we can add in our beaten eggs and some melted butter. We can stir all of that up. So I just posted this zucchini bread recipe on my blog last week, and it's already getting rave reviews. You should definitely check it out. And now we are going to do one final squeeze on our zucchini. See if we can get any more liquid out. Not too much more. Okay, and we can dump it in our bowl. Give this a good stir. Make sure it's all mixed up really good. And make a big mess like I always do. Okay, let's put this in we've got an 8x4 loaf pan that we sprayed with cooking spray. And now we are going to dump in our zucchini bread batter. Press it in. Okay, this is ready for the oven, 350-degree oven for about an hour. You want to check it with a toothpick. Toothpick will come out clean when it's ready. Okay, here is our zucchini bread, and it looks fabulous, so good, and got nice brown color on top thanks to our baking soda. So let me cut a piece. Look at that, nice and moist. a bite. Look, you can see all that zucchini. You get zucchini in every bite. It's moist, but it's not too moist. That's one complaint that I see with some zucchini breads. It's too moist and it's got a weird, like a weird texture. But this is really good and not too moist. And you can really taste the cinnamon and it's perfectly sweet. And I hope you try it. And you can find this recipe, the link to the recipe in the description below. Or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for Keto Zucchini bread. And I hope you try this recipe. Let me know how much you love it. And I will see you guys later. Bye.